This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Goochland, Virginia. Today we're going to take a look at a model home. We are here today with the Parade of Homes, and this home is on parade. It is about 95% complete. So they still have a little bit of construction dust here. You can see here in the subdivision, most of the homes that are under construction are in the rough-in stage. I'm actually going to do a video on one of those homes, take you through a home under construction. A couple things I wanted to show you here on this home as it's being built. Number one has to do with irrigation. You can see those little flags are to water lines that are underground, and on this particular lot they are on all four sides. They include irrigation on the front under the normal offering here, and whenever you see these little valves, those are controllers for the irrigation system. So irrigation comes on in zones, and the reason for that is you don't want a huge demand on the system all at one time. Many people do the timer setups where the irrigation is coming on during hours that you would not necessarily be using the water. This is a split unit, or called a mini split. Very unusual to see it on new construction, but the reason for that is we have an in-law suite here in this model. In-law suites are pretty unusual in new construction, but we're seeing more and more of them because of the changing needs of American families. So I will show you that in-law suite here as we go in, but that's the reason for that special heating and air system. Once again, it is the Parade of Homes, so we have random civilians coming and going, so we're going to do our best to keep them out of the video, but it may not be possible. We've got gorgeous half-acre lots here. There are basement lots available, and I believe there's going to be about 60-some homes here in this subdivision. I'm going to give you a shot here from the front porch. One of the great things about this location is, even though we're in a fairly rural county, is we do have public water and sewer here. Also, the tax rate is half of what it is in some neighboring counties. So very low taxes, and you definitely have some good infrastructure here. We're going to go on in here and take a look. Okay, as we come in, we have our stairs here to the right. We've got a really nice open floor plan, and we actually have a couple of hardworking site reps that are in place here for today's Parade of Homes. I wanted to show you, to the left is going to be our powder room. This home is 95% complete, so we have some mirrors and different things that they're still working on, but they will have it set in no time. Another closet here. And this floor plan is unique because we have an in-law suite. We have one of our site reps that's back there. We're going to go back there and chat with her because it's a little quieter and we can get a good idea of what's here. How you doing, ma'am?
I'm doing great. I'm Kate Garrity, the community manager for Reed Marsh, and I'm excited to share the guest suite that we have on the Sienna.
Let's do this. Let's start in the garage and then make our way back through. If you could take us that way, that'd be awesome.
Absolutely.
I was explaining in a previous video to my viewers that a lot of times with new construction, the builder will use the garage for the sales center, and then when they're complete, they'll go ahead and convert it back to a regular garage, correct?
Absolutely. So as you see, Boone builds a spectacular garage. This is a 2-car garage. The great thing about Boone is that we customize. So if you guys need a 3-car garage, just let us know. The Sienna actually comes with a 3-car garage. So, that's one thing that makes Boone special is, like I said, we do customize and cater to our customers' needs. If they need to expand it slightly, let's say they have a truck and it's really long, we can bump it out and do that for them as well.
So Kate, tell us about some of the amenities here in the subdivision that you're going to have.
So the amenities here are going to be our community ponds, walking trails, so you'll see sidewalks, a lot of landscaping. So it's going to be a very lush, beautiful community where people are going to really see their property value with those amenities. Eventually, we'll probably have a pavilion out here as we grow and expand into future development for this community.
Awesome. A lot of my viewers are up north. They're coming in from the cold country, New York, New Jersey area. And one thing that they are used to that you don't have here are high taxes.
That is right. We are a 53-cent tax rate, guys. So I know all you northerners are loving that. So please come take advantage of that here at Reed Marsh in Goochland County.
All right, well, very good. Well, we're going to go ahead and take a look here at the rest of it. That's okay with you?
Yes, I would love to show you the guest suite. That actually is what makes the Sienna, this floor plan, very special.
Okay.
If you walk on in here, you'll see this is really right beside the garage in this floor plan, and you can just come in. You have a full bath, and we can customize this bathroom if you want to make it a glass shower or however you want to set it up. Then this is what's really cool. In between this is what we call like the living space area. So it really gives, if you have someone that's living with you, their own little area that they can hang out in. This is also great with COVID, where you can make this an office or you can keep it as the wet bar. It's up to you. So the possibilities are endless, but it still gives that guest, or if you need an office, you know, that you're not messing with the family and the house, this really gives them that opportunity and space to do that.
Wonderful.
This back here is a bedroom with a closet. So as you see, if you have someone staying with you, this is a great option for them. You can also make this a workout room, however you want to do it. The possibilities really are endless, and we're here to work with you. Again, as I mentioned, Boone Homes is a customizable builder, so what we're going to be able to do is really make this space however you want to make it.
Wonderful. Well, this in-law suite option is really nice because I know a lot of buyers are really looking for that.
Yes, they are. After, COVID, we all know it was a game changer, and we are living in our homes, working from our homes, so we need to really be able to cater to how we're going to use and live that space nowadays.
Very good. Well, let's take a look at the rest of the first floor.
Absolutely. So as we go through here, we're going to see a little mud area. This can also be made into what we call like more cabinetry for like if you store a bunch of food like in a pantry.
Okay.
I've seen people put a large cabinet
Sure.
here. So this is a great little space too that you can kind of make to what you need it to be.
Okay.
This is our kitchen, and guys, look at those windows. Look at the natural light that comes into this kitchen.
Wow.
And look at the gorgeous backyard. You're gonna have trees and a nice yard. These are half-acre home sites here. So we also include a giant island, and yes, you are getting these cabinets. You can get them in white, gray, various colors. So we're gonna really be able, this is like a standard kitchen with us.
Okay.
This is a really big kitchen. We also do decorative walls if you want to, add those elements into your home. It just creates interest. So you can really do anything with us.
So tell me a little bit about the flooring. What kind of flooring do we have here?
So the flooring, I'm sorry, it's covered up right now, but if you come over here, you can take a better look at it. This is what we call a engineered hardwood.
Okay.
It's called Revwood.
Okay.
And Revwood is great, and we usually put it in all our models because it does so well with high traffic. It does well with animals. It does well with kids.
Okay.
Those are very important to us moms. I know that. So, and animal lovers.
Yes. Okay.
So, yeah, that's the reason why we really love this product.
Wonderful. Well, let's go upstairs and see what we have up there.
Absolutely.
You were doing I feel kind of threatened here because you're doing a better job than I do. I'm supposed to be the star of this show.
Oh, you will be next.
All right. Very good. Very good.
So the great thing about the Sienna, because it offers so many great things, is the loft area. So if you have a family, or you just need another space to get away from a loved one, it really provides you with 2 living room opportunities. Really 3, because if you have a guest suite, you can have 3.
Mm-hmm.
The loft is great. The kids can stay here, entertain one another, set it up, with their TV and couches. And you can really see, this can be even an office if you wanted it to
Sure.
be.
Okay.
So again, whatever you need it to be to fit your lifestyle, but a great space.
Okay.
I do want to walk through the owner's suite.
Okay, okay. We'll take us there first.
I love the owner's suite because, again, as you see, we have a ton of natural light that comes through. It's gigantic. So imagine your king bed here, your nightstands, your dressers. This is, you know, a dream bedroom. On top of that, the bathroom. This really is a girl's dream.
Okay.
So we include this really big shower with the bench and the pan here. On top of that, you get your sink and a vanity lens. This is usually not typical.
Question. Men don't use sinks and vanities?
They do, and they can.
Okay, just want to clarify.
Absolutely.
Okay.
But us ladies definitely use them for our makeup and our hair. We like to sit down and take our time.
All right, very good. Fair enough.
And then on top of that, this is a little linen closet.
Okay.
So that's, again, this is a good way to get everything you want in that master bedroom. Look how much space you have.
Yeah.
So you have the 2 sinks, the vanity, the big shower with the bench, okay? And then you have your water closet.
Okay.
I don't know if you can see.
I'm going to stick my arm in there.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay. Very
so
good.
it really offers, you know, a lot of room for a bathroom.
Sure.
Right? This is one of the closets for the owners.
Got 2 walk-in closets. That's number 1.
And this one is definitely one that I'm digging.
Okay.
Because I can get all my shoes, all my clothes. You know, I can do the cabinetry in here. Shoot, I could probably put a chair in here if I needed to. So, again, really nice closet space.
Now, this is a feature that we saw, or I saw, when I was in the rough-in model.
Yes.
But it's unique to be able to go from the primary suite into the laundry.
Yes.
And you can also hit it from the hallway.
100%. So, the reason we love this is, 1, because we can hide it in this area, and 2, it's so convenient.
Yes.
When you have the kids and you're living upstairs in your owner's suite with your clothes and laundry, the last thing you want to do is to trek up and down the steps with the laundry and, you know, drop it, and it's just so inconvenient, you know? So this provides it right here. You take it off, you put it in, bada bing, bada boom. Do everything up here right beside everybody's rooms.
So my viewers can get a good idea of the orientation. Let's go back through. That's the hallway directly behind you, correct? Yes. All right, we're going to go back through the primary so they can keep their bearings, because I know I got confused when I came through.
Absolutely.
All right, so we're going to go back through the primary, and I didn't show the entire bedroom. We had some visitors here, so I want to give a shot here of the entire primary. There is crown molding in here as well.
Yes. We have a bunch of molding, like crown or whatever you want to do. We'll pretty much do it for you. Obviously, certain things come at different price points, but we would just set up a pricing appointment with me, and we would walk through so you know how much, you know, the molding you would want in your home would cost. Okay. But we do include a lot of molding in our base home.
All right, so this is a kid's bedroom?
Yes, this could be a kid's room, this could be an office, however you want to make it. They come with the closet, so obviously we're going to count this as a bedroom.
Yes.
This one also has a full bath on it as well.
Ensuite.
Yes.
Very convenient. All right, well, take us to the rest of the first floor, the second floor, if you'd be kind enough.
Yes, absolutely. So we're going to go back to that loft area that you saw.
This is the loft area we saw earlier.
And then, you know, we came up the steps here.
Right.
So instead of taking a left, you're taking a right.
Okay.
And this is just another little storage area.
Okay.
For upstairs. This can be a bedroom or an office too, whatever you want to make it.
Okay.
We also have a closet with this. This can also be unfinished storage.
Okay.
If you do not want to make it a bedroom.
Great.
So a lot of people need storage, and this is a good way to get extra storage if you don't need that bedroom. Okay. This house can also do 6 bedrooms, which is a lot. So that loft, if you need it to be a bedroom, we can also accommodate that as well. Okay. This is the other bathroom that's going to service these 2 bedrooms behind you, Max. So again, really nice bathroom with, the toilet as well as the shower, and the
Okay.
tub combo here. And again, you can customize that.
Sure.
However you want it. This is one of those bedrooms
Okay.
with the closet. As you see in every room that we've gone in, we have a lot of windows and
Yes.
a lot of natural light. They're big windows. This
Right.
house feels very bright and nice when
Right.
you're living inside of it.
All right.
So yeah, that concludes our tour
Okay.
on the second floor of the Sienna.
Wonderful, wonderful. We appreciate it.
Oh, I appreciate you.
Thank you so much for, usually it's me doing all of this, so it's nice to have a little break. I'll make sure you send me your bill
Oh,
later.
I definitely will, Max. Thank you so much.
All right, we're going to go on back and close out downstairs here.
That sounds great.
One thing I did want to mention is that if you are looking to buy and you have a family that is composed of multi-generational individuals, you can
Yes.
use the income from your seniors, from the other people in the family to qualify. And a lot of times that makes a big difference in what you can actually get. So it makes a lot of sense to consider that if that is your family situation. Thanks once again.
You're so welcome.
We appreciate it. Thank y'all for tuning in. We appreciate you. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe.
Bye.
Have a great day.